When rain gathers, the earth opens its arms to embrace the soothing comfort of water. But not inhabitants of the earth share this enthusiasm. Here in the Federal Capital Territory, the threat of flooding and erosion is sending chills down the spines of residents in some areas. And Onengefa Face has the details.
When it's about to rain, I become afraid because of what the volume of water is making, the noise, the sound. I'm afraid that the remaining portion of the fence and the building may collapse.
Elizabeth Aku, a widow of many years, is about losing her home to the hungry wombs of erosion.
Even my husband is late. I alone cannot even meet the family demands. Talk more of coming to do this one. Our life and structures are being threatened.
Alphonsus Obe is losing part of the foundation of his property to this widening gully at Area A New Extension Phase 1, Yanya, in the Federal Capital Territory.
In fact, we are afraid that if nothing is done very quickly, the structure might collapse. That is a colossal damage.
Elsewhere in Gishiri, Saidu Garba believes that the carelessness of residents who block water channels will cost him his source of livelihood when the rains come.
They
are stopping people from dumping refuse, but the people are not complying. So we are calling on them to stop. It is not right to dump refuse on waterways.
Whether a large-scale government intervention for Mrs. Aku or a better sense of individual responsibility in clearing drainages, Director General Nigeria Hydrological Services Agency insists that the time to prevent erosion and flooding is now that the rain clouds are still gathering.
State governments, individuals to begin to prepare for flooding by keeping their environments clean.
The clouds will gather again, pregnant with months of rain. When it bursts, will the water find passage through blocked channels and drains such as this? Will the water sink the remains of this home hanging on the precipice of destruction? Or better still, will intervention from relevant agencies of government come in good time to save lives and property from destruction? Fine Face, News.
Sure, the clouds will gather again. So let's just do the right thing and always stay safe.